Hello orchestra, we are on page 20 of String Basics. Okay, so let's take a look at exercise 93, up to B it's called. First thing we want to do is look through the song. Okay, make sure we're prepared to sing it or play it. First note is D. Go ahead and sing D2 as you read with your voice only this song. 93. Rest, 2, ready, read. D2, E4, F sharp 2, G4, A2, B4, A2, lift and set. A2, B4, A2, F sharp 4, E2, A4, D2, rest, rest. Okay, did you do that okay? This last 5 or 6 notes were kind of tricky. Did you mess up saying the note? If you did, then here's what you do. You start on the place where you messed up. Okay, let's say you started messing up right here, and now you practice that. Okay, let's start on the A. Rest, 2, ready, sing. A2, F sharp 4, E2, A4, D2, rest, rest. Did you do better? If not, then do it again and slow down maybe. Okay, now that you've got all the notes learned, pick up your instrument and slowly play through the notes, and you can concentrate hopefully on bowing correctly and reading the notes correctly. So let's do that together right now. Okay, sing as you play. Rest, 2, ready, go. Down to E4, F sharp 2, G4, A2, B4, A2, lift and set. A2, B4, A2, F sharp 4, E2, A4, E2, rest, rest. Jambalaya, one of my favorite kinds of food. Jambalaya, man, it's got shrimp and sausage and rice, and it's spicy. You ever had jambalaya? Tastes delicious. All right, first thing we want to do is sing. So let's look through the song again. Okay, we see we got some A's, quarter notes, and B's, some half notes. A's, B's, and A's. It looks like this is almost the same thing as this. The next is F sharps, G's, A's, B's, and then we've got a skip from A to F sharp to D, and a bow lift and a repeat. A lot of stuff in this song. All right, so let's start on our A. A, there's the pitch, and let's sing. Rest, 2, just sing the notes. A, B, B, A2, B4, A, B, B, A2, lift and set. F sharp, G, G, A, B, B, A2, F sharp 4, D2, lift and set. A, B, B, A2, B4, A, B, B, A2, lift and set. F sharp, G, G, A, B, B, A2, F sharp 4, D2, rest, rest. Okay, pick your instrument up. You can listen to me play it first if you want, or you can try to play along. 94 on the A string. And rest, 2, ready, sing. A, B, B, A2, B4, A, B, lift and set. F sharp, F sharp, G, G, A, B, B, A, 2, F sharp 4, B, 2, lift and set, beginning, A, B, B, A, 2, B, 4, A, B, B, A, 2, lift and set. F sharp, G, G, A, B, B, A, 2, F sharp 4, E, 2, rest, rest. I hit my desk with the bow. You ever do that? Hit something as you're practicing? Okay, sauntering on Saturday, 95. All right, so what I'm going to do for this video, the rest of the page, is I'm not going to sing the notes for you, but I strongly suggest you continue singing the notes first, learn the notes, then try to play it on your instrument. Okay, kind of a two-step process. I think you'll be much more successful playing these songs on your own if you'll do it that way. All right, so 96, Cross with Care. I'm going to go ahead and just play it on the violin and show you what it sounds like. All right, notice we've got D strings, open A strings, D strings, first finger Bs, a lot of up and down motion. That means we're going to rock up and down with the bow to change strings. We're going to be moving that bow up and down quite a bit on this song. And then at the end there's a quick bow lift. So it's going to be E, A, D, lift. And then we're going to start over. It's going to be real quick. And rest, 2, sing with me. D, D, A, D, D, B, B, D2, A4, D2, B4, D, A, rest, rest, D, B, rest, rest, A, rest, A, rest, D, A, D, lift, D, D, A, D, D, B, B, D2, A4, and so on. Now you're probably saying, you didn't say set, you said lift and didn't say set. Well, that's because it was so quick, I needed to be able to say D at the beginning of the song. So right here it's going to be E, A, D, lift, D. All right, so E, A, D, lift, D. Or I guess you could say E, A, D, lift and set, D, D. If you want to do it that way, that's kind of fun too. London Bridge. You guys probably know this song or have heard it before. On the A string, rest, 2, ready, sing. A, B, A, D, F sharp, G, A4, E, F sharp, G4, F sharp, G, A4, A, B, A, D, F sharp, G, A4, E2, A4, F sharp 2, D, repeat. A, B, A, D, F sharp, G, A4, E, F sharp, G4. That's a fun one. Did you guys like that? I bet you did. All right, test line. Test line. Now, if you're going to want to try the test line on your own without hearing me play it first, then pause the video and try playing it on your own. See how you do. Test yourself. Okay, then turn on the video and check and see if you did it right. Okay, here we go. Acadian Lullaby. Rest, 2, 3, 4. 2, B, B, A, F sharp 4, A, B, B, A, F sharp 4, sharp 4, A2, F sharp, E, A, D, 4. How'd you do? Had some little tricky skips in there. All right, so what you're going to do for your assignment at the bottom here, well, let's just look at the instructions. Number 1, draw your clef, key signature, and the 4/4 time signature. So remember how to do that? If you're a violin, you're going to draw your clef. Okay, remember how to do the treble clef? And if you're a bass, if you're a cello or bass, you're going to draw a different kind of clef, and of course altos, or violas, you're going to draw the alto clef. Okay, draw the key signature. Key signature is something you haven't had to do yet. So it's kind of like those number signs or like a hashtag. Put the first sharp, that's what that hashtag is actually called, a sharp sign. Put that on the top line, which is the F line, and then put another F sharp, or not an F sharp, put another sharp on the C space for C sharp, like I just did there. So F sharp first, and then the C sharp. Okay, now write in the 4/4 time signature. So we're going to go 4/4, just like we see in this example right here above. Rewrite the measures provided in a different order. There we go, to compose your own song. Okay, so we're going to take this measure right here, and rather than copying it down in this first measure here, we're going to copy this measure either here, here, or here. We're going to take this measure, these 4 notes, and put them here, or here, or here. Okay, we're going to mix them all up. Okay, so how about we try that? We got D, E, F sharp, G. I think I'll start that right here on the first measure. So we got a D, and then we're copying the next note, E. Now, my little mouse, it's hard to draw with my mouse. I'm kind of sloppy. F sharp and G. Color it in because those are quarter notes. There we go. Now maybe we want to do this first measure, A, F sharp, D, right here. So we'll go with an A half note and an F sharp quarter note and a D quarter note. And I'm going to let you finish it out yourself. Okay, you don't have to do these same patterns that I'm doing, but you can do your own pattern, of course. All right, well, there you go. That is page 20 of your books. Have fun with that, guys. And we will see you all next time. Bye.